If you want to create an awesome YouTube thumbnail for your video, something like this here, you can go about doing that with the inShot video editor app. Be sure to have the latest update, and let's get started. To start your YouTube video thumbnail, you want to go to the collage section, and as always, make sure you have the latest update. There are different versions as to how you can create a collage/thumbnail. And if you want just what you saw a while ago, you'll go with the grid option. And as you do that, when you select that here, you will see the gallery as a selected option to start off with, and you'll choose the photos that you want. And usually 4 photos will be the best bet for a awesome thumbnail here. I got some Iron Man vibes going on here, so I'll go ahead and select the ones that I want. And they would usually end up appearing like this here if you pick 4. So this is where you want to go now to the layout section here and choose this one here in particular. That's going to keep them side by side. You can go into the border and adjust it from here, or press the check mark and proceed to the next part. Once you reach to this part here, the first thing I want you to do is go to the canvas section and switch it to the 16:9. That is the YouTube thumbnail aspect ratio, a perfect fit. Press the check mark here, and now you can go into the border section and increase the thickness, the roundness, and all that stuff of your borders, your separation, and a few other things. And it's totally up to you to make that decision. If you want to make changes to the photos itself, you find that they're dark or don't stand out much, go to the filters section. You can go with the presets or go to the adjust here. And whatever changes you make here will apply to every photo seen here. All right, so just quick to some edits there. Just go with the sharpness here, and you can make the changes to how you like it. Next up now, we want to change the color of the border frame. And if you want to do that, you'll swipe over to where it says background right here. You see where it says background, go to that there, and this will allow you to choose a specific color. And it doesn't have to be red just because Iron Man is red. You can choose a color that's right for your video, okay? So once you've done with that decision here, you can, again, go back to the borders now and make some changes from here. Then if you want to add a text going across, go to text, and you just type in the words Iron Man or whatever it is that you want to, okay? So I'll just call this one here Iron Man Concept, okay? It's just to give you an idea of how this goes, okay? And you can change the style of the font from here, choose something that you think is going to look better. You also can change the label. You can have no label if you don't want it, if you want it to be like this here, or stick with the label itself so that it can stand out. And it's really just up to you to make that decision. And then of course you got your border here, and change the color of the text if you want to. Once you're done with all that there, press the check mark. You can come back and adjust this if you want to here. Then you should have something that looks like this here. And of course, pressing export and saving that will save it for you just as you see here. Now to add the thumbnail onto your video. So to do this, make sure you have the YouTube Studio app, and nothing to hide here. I'll go into one of my videos that is or was about to be posted. Once you're in this view mode here, you'll tap on the edit icon here. And in this view mode now here, you'll also tap on this edit icon on this side here. Once you do that, this will allow you to choose a custom thumbnail. As you select this option here, you'll be taken to your gallery app. You'll most likely be taken to the last used section here, so just tap right there and you'll get the different options as to different folders. It is going to be saved in the inShot folder, so when you go here, you're going to see it there. You're going to see that option right here. Ignore everything else you see right now, and you can see this is a perfect fit for your YouTube video as a thumbnail. And of course, once you are done, press the word done, and it's going to save it for you, right? And that's that, like and sub.